Welcome to Modern Living. I'm Kathy Ireland. The advancements in technology have opened up new treatment opportunities for patients seeking cosmetic care. Speaking on behalf of VBoutique, of MSPB, Cynosure, and Emvera is cosmetic physician Dr. Neda Vanden Bosch, who is with us to highlight some of the benefits of non-invasive medical procedures. Welcome to Modern Living.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Dr. Vanden Bosch, can you please tell us more about VBoutique and the services that you provide to your customers?
VBoutique is the premier cosmetic and vein center treatment of medical specialists of the Palm Beaches, which is the largest multi-specialty physician group in Palm Beach County. We have over 75 doctors, and we've been working in the area in Palm Beach County for about 10 years, providing all of the cosmetic and vein treatments for our patients.
Dr. Vanden Bosch, can you please discuss the role Emvera Diolux laser hair removal plays in the success of VBoutique?
The problem with laser hair removal has always been that it hurts. Also that many skin types couldn't use it because if they were dark, skin type 3 or more, it wasn't safe for them. This technology is fantastic. It was so painless when they tried it on me, I said, this can't be working. The reason is it has a diode laser, which is the gold standard for laser hair removal. But it has a very, very effective cooling tip, the sapphire cooling tip. The pulses are so short that this laser moves very, very quickly. We can do an entire male back, for example, in 2 minutes. And it's completely painless. So in addition to all those things, painless and quick, it can be utilized for any skin type, no matter how dark you are. So all of those things make it a very effective and affordable way to quickly get rid of unwanted hair.
Dr. Vanden Bosch, what is Sculpsure? How does that work?
Sculpsure is the latest and newest non-invasive laser lipolysis device. We were the first facility in South Florida to get this device. We had more experience with it than anybody. It is an incredible little machine that results in fat reduction in 25 minutes. The reason it's different from other non-invasive laser lipolysis is that it uses a very selective laser wavelength, which is called 1060 nanometer. And this particular wavelength is attracted only to fat. So when you put these applicators, which are completely designed to fit the body individually, the laser only sees the fat cells. In about 25 minutes per treatment, which is about half time of cool sculpting, it results in fat reduction. But because it's only attracted to fat cells, it doesn't damage any of the adjacent tissues. Therefore, we usually don't have pain, issues that sometimes we see with cool sculpting. It's a very, very safe and effective procedure that way.
And can you please describe the ideal candidate for Sculpsure?
Sculpture is best for people who are not significantly overweight. In other words, they have a BMI of less than 30 and they have troubled areas that they want to improve. Satisfaction rate in clinical trials have been up to 90% or more. We look at the patient and we customize the treatment for them. Some may need more than one treatment, probably 2 treatments. Ones that have less fat, probably 1 is enough.
Please tell us about your newest treatment, Thermiva, which solves feminine health issues.
I'm very excited about this. This is the newest and latest treatment for feminine health rejuvenation. It uses radiofrequency treatment where you can very effectively heat the tissue to perfect 40 to 45 degree. Temperature control, which is very important. We need to have the tissue heated exactly to that temperature, and it's the first device that allows us to do that. By maintaining that temperature very comfortably for the patient without any downtime and any pain in a series of 3 treatments, about half hour each, we can do several things. 1, we can treat atrophic vaginitis or vulvovaginitis, which is basically excessive dryness in peri and postmenopausal women, which is very common. We can treat urinary incontinence. A lot of us, unfortunately, as we have kids and we grow older, we get that stress incontinence with jumping and sneezing and things like that, or we have frequent trips to the bathroom. It completely treats that, except for very severe cases. And as opposed to surgery, which is very invasive and very uncomfortable and has high complication rate, this is such an easy and affordable treatment. Thirdly, it can really help sexual performance. With men, there was Viagra and all kinds of things. This is the first time we've actually had something for women that can really help with orgasmic dysfunction and really help them have a better sex life.
What is most meaningful to you about your work?
Definitely connecting with people. I have a tremendous passion for making women feel good about themselves. You've been in the beauty industry, you understand what it means to feel good about yourself and how impactful they can be. I find out that women respond psychologically so well with small changes that can make them feel more confident, feel better about themselves, and they put a better version of themselves out in the world as a result.
Dr. Vanden Bosch, how can we contact you?
My social media, Facebook, VBoutique, also online, my website, www.vboutiqueflorida.com. Also Twitter at Dr. Vanden Bosch. I usually answer questions on Twitter and Facebook myself so people can come ask any questions. I really enjoy informing people about all the new things, and just in general, I like to connect people with people that way.
Well, it certainly sounds like there are a lot of excellent options for patients seeking non-invasive cosmetic care.
Absolutely.
Dr. Vanden Bosch, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
For Modern Living, I'm Kathy Ireland. Thank you for watching.